We are C-Mount Media, a New England-based production company specializing in creating online video and photo content.
Our services are tailored to fit everyone from small businesses to large companies, as well as individuals.
Our projects provide value for you or your business so that you always know that you're putting your best foot forward.
C-Mount Media can provide you with high-quality media content, ranging from business promotions, restaurant content, product commercials, and much more.
Bottom line is, if you need a video or photo project done, we've got you covered.
After years of experience in the online and social media world, we know how to get results.
So head over to our website or send us an email to book your project today. We can't wait to work with you. So yeah, you heard that right. I'm starting a brand new video and photo production company. Now I'm doing this with my friend Nick. You've seen him here on the channel before. Now our business is called C-Mount Media. Now the reason it's called that is because I'm from the coast in Rhode Island. That's where the C comes from. And Nick's from New Hampshire and the mountains. So that's where the Mount comes from. We've been working tirelessly for the past couple of months on developing it, getting all the legal stuff done. And finally, it's official and we're ready to announce it. Currently, we are specializing in pretty much anything online, whether that may be social media stuff, website stuff, etc. We actually have a lot of variety in our services. We're not really specific to one niche because we wanted to remain pretty versatile. That's kind of how me and Nick have been with our shooting style so far. It's versatile. We don't really stick to one particular thing. Right now we're doing stuff like promotions for small businesses, senior portraits, product photos for restaurants, and we're looking to get into stuff like real estate, but there's honestly really nothing that we are not willing to do. So right now we're actually booking projects for the summer. So if you have a video or photo project that needs to get done, make sure you hit the link in the first line of the description box below. That takes you to our website, or you can contact us at this email address here. Also, make sure to follow us on our brand new Instagram, which is right here. We're gonna be posting a lot about the client work that we do with this business. So if you're interested in that sort of thing, make sure you follow us. Also, if you wanna see any more content about client work or business stuff that I'm doing, make sure you leave a comment down below letting me know. It's always super helpful hearing your opinions. But yeah, I'm super stoked to finally release this. It took a lot of hard work, a lot of time to do, but now it's finally ready to go. And if you guys are just as excited as I am, make sure you leave a like and subscribe to me. That always helps out. Thanks for watching me talk about my business. I appreciate it. Thanks.